everyone, welcome to my channel. It is Emily and we are back again with another makeup tutorial. Now I don't know what it is about my skin, but it's almost like it knows when I'm gonna go on camera without makeup on, and it's like, oh, I'm just gonna break out. So I got this guy to deal with. It's pretty bad. It's very frustrating because I normally have decent skin. In today's video, I'm gonna try doing a voiceover, so let's just jump right into the video.
Today we're going to use the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette in order to create a Mauvey Millennial Pink eye, and we will first start with our Bubble Tea Lip Balm in Lemongrass and Green Tea, just to moisturize our lips. Now I did already cleanse and prime my face before filming this video, so we are going to go straight in with our Rimmel Match Perfection Foundation in Classic Ivory. I am just going to get some of that product onto my middle finger and dab it all over the left side of my face. I don't want to put it all over my whole face or else the product will start drying before I can get to blending it. So we're just going to go one section of the face at a time. 1, 2, 3, yeah! Next we're going to get our Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Light 10, and we are going to put that underneath our eyes in a triangular formation just to cover up those dark circles. I did put a couple layers of foundation over this blemish, but I'm still going to go in and put some concealer on it and lightly tap it out with my finger just to get the most coverage. We are then taking my trusty L'Oreal True Match powder in W1 and using that to set our concealer. Now since I already showed you my brow routine, I am using the power of editing just to snap my brows on, and we are going to go straight in with our Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I could not get the camera to focus on that, but we are just rubbing that all over our eyelids to prime for our eyeshadow. Then we're going to take our Naked 3 palette and our double-ended Luxie brush that I got in my last Ipsy bag and take the shade Limit onto the fluffy end and run it through our crease. Then we're picking up the shade Nooner and doing the exact same thing, but concentrating the shadow a little bit more on the outside of the crease. We're then going to take some more of Nooner and put that on the outer third of the lid just to add some more definition to the eye. Then we're picking up the shade Factory and putting it right over the top of Nooner, concentrating it on the outer third of the eye and up into the outer edge of the crease. We're then picking up the shade Burnout onto our finger and putting it on the center of the eye. This will really add some brightness to that area. Next, we're going to take the shade Strange and put it right in the inner corner of the eye on the inner third. And then we're going to pick up the shade Dust and put it right over Strange to give it a nice brightness and glittery effect. We're then going to pick up Black Heart on our angled brush and lightly press it into our lash line to act as our liner for this eye look. After that, we're going to take the more flat shader side of this brush and dip it back into Factory and use it to line the outer third of our lower lash line. Then we're going to take Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara and put that on our lashes. Mine is a tester size. I got it in my Ipsy bag, but I have absolutely fallen in love with this mascara. Next we're going to take this Estee Lauder All Over Shimmer. Now the name would suggest that it's supposed to be used all over your face, but it's definitely more of a blush shade, and that's how I'm using it. Then we're picking up our Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer and using that to carve out the hollows of our cheekbones. I will then run it up into my temples and along my forehead and underneath my jawline as well. For highlighter, I'm taking the lighter shade of this Pixie Eyeshadow Duo and putting it on my cheekbones, the center of my forehead, down my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. And then we're going in with this Estee Lauder lipstick in Bois de Rose and tapping it onto our lips and blending it out with our finger to give it a natural effect. And here's the final look of the eyes for you.
Okay, so that is it for this makeup video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this millennial pink eye. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can follow me on all the social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.